Hi everyone, I know you love some popcorn. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make caramel popcorn.
So join me, let's make some popcorn. In your pot, add a tablespoon of vegetable oil or any oil of your choice. Add your popcorn, add salt. Here I used pink salt. Once it starts to pop, cover your pot to avoid spillage all over your kitchen. Shake your pot at intervals. The corn will continue to pop. Here you have it all popped up. In another saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Bring it to low heat. Keep stirring your sugar. That is my golden syrup. I added just about a tablespoon. Mix it all in until the sugar is melted. There I'm adding my flavor, milk flavor, and my butterscotch flavor. At this point, turn off your heat. Mix everything together. Immediately you pour in your popcorn and just stir it into the caramel mixture. Once it's all done, your popcorn is ready. Enjoy.